Lovely little package from Darkdside Releasing showed up today. I actually wasn't expecting it this soon. I thought the pre-order was still going for a while. Didn't really read much. I just saw what the one movie was about and added that shit to the cart ASAP. I haven't seen either of these. This is a double feature disc. They both sound dope, but I mainly got it for the Bloody Ape. We also have Blitzkrieg, Escape from Stalag 69. So some good old sleazy Nazi exploitation and a movie about a gorilla that rapes people. The Bloody Ape is the most outrageous drive-in movie take on Poe's Murders in the Rue Morgue ever committed to film. A carnival barker foolishly releases his 400-pound gorilla, who then literally goes bananas on a rampage of raw rape and buffo butchery, leaving the low-rent population of Long Island either sexually violated, slaughtered, or both. From the maverick indie filmmaker Keith J. Crocker. The Bloody Ape is a gore-soaked love letter to the sex and violence of the Grindhouse movie era. How could I not order that? Much as Crocker's Blitzkrieg Escape from Stalag 69 is a giddy, in-your-face throwback to the perverse and blood-soaked Euro trash Nazi exploitation subgenre of the 1970s, a true extreme double feature. There's also some short films on here, 16mm film test for Blitzkrieg, bloopers, deleted scenes, a whole bunch of goodies. Open her up. Oh shit. Forgot these were in there too. Oh, this looks awesome already. Oh, fuck yeah, I can't wait to throw this bitch on. Cunt. So there we have the unboxing for Darkdside Releasing. Not to be confused with those fucking idiots over at Dark Force. But these guys actually follow through with their releases, don't come up with excuses, and give you some killer fucking value for your dollar. Like, these flicks sound absolutely amazing, and to put both of them on a single disc, and it was only like, fuck, I don't even remember, but it was pretty cheap. I think it was like 25, maybe 30 bucks at the most. So check them out. Darkdside Releasing. I'll have a link to their website in the description. Go grab their shit. They have a lot of good looking sleeves on there. I have a few of their other releases, mostly their Demiziano stuff, but I'm definitely keeping an eye out for more of the extreme shit that they've got coming. So thank you, Darkdside. That was a much quicker appearance than I was expecting, and everybody go check them out. Thanks for watching. Stay sleazy. Peace.